let's see how to solve the clock aptitude questions. So you have seen these types of questions in reasoning exams, like what is the time, if the time, find the time between 3 and 4 p.m. when the angle between hour hand and minute hand is about 50 degree, or the angle between minute hand and hour hand at 2:25 p.m. or am. Okay, so these types of questions we will see how to deal with those questions. So we will derive this to further make a formula for our questions. So we know that an hour hand, which is this is the hour hand, makes 360-degree rotation in how much long? It takes 12 hours to rotate 360 degree. So 1 hour, how much it will rotate? 360 by 12, that is 30 degree. So 30 degree per hour. So that what I have written. So keep this thing in mind, because I will be needing this. Or 30 degree per hour can also be written as like 0.5 degree per minute. Okay, so and velocity of the minute hand. So if velocity of the minute hand we try to calculate, so we know that minute hand, which is the longer hand of the clock, rotates 360 degree in how much minutes? 60 minutes. So in 1 minute how much it will rotate? 360 degree by 60, that is 6 degree. So that's why this 6 degree per minute, this equation. So now derive our formula, main formula. So let's see the derivation of our main formula that we will be using for solving our questions. So theta is this. So we will see how the derivation works. So if time is given h hour and m minute, so we have already seen that the speed of hour hand was 30 degree per hour in last slide, and speed of minute hand was 6 degree per minute. So theta 1 is the angle traveled by the hour hand in h hour and m minute. So in h hour it will cover 30 into h, and in m minute it will cover further, we know that 0.5 degree per minute, so it will cover 1/2 into m. So you can see the expression over here. So similarly theta 2 is the angle covered by the minute hand. So minute hand travels at a speed of 6 degree per minute. So in m minutes it will cover 6m. So we will find the difference between theta 1 and theta 2. So when we find the difference between theta 1 and theta 2, we will see that we get this expression. So this is our final expression, and it will be needed for problem solving. It is very important. You can even skip the proof part, because it is not that important. It is just for a better understanding. So let's solve this question. So what is the angle between hour hand and minute hand at 2:25? So we will always take this as h is equal to 2, and this is m, 25. So what was our equation? Let's see. It was 30h minus 11/2 m. 30h minus 11/2 m. 30 into h is 2 minus 11/2 m is 25. Okay, so 60 minus this is 275/2 mod. So if we see 120 minus 275 mod, so it will be around 155/2 or 77.5 degree, our final answer. I hope you have understood. So let's see one more question to make you more clear. So find the time between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. when angle between the hour hand and minute hand is 50 degree. So when angle is given 50 degree, we have to find the time. So h and m is not given, but we know that we will always take h is equal to 3, because 3 p.m. is given. So h is 3, we don't know m. So let's put it in our formula. 30h minus 11/2 m. So our angle is 50. 30 into 3 minus 11/2 m. If we remove mod, plus minus 50 will come this side. 90 minus 11/2 m. So if we find 11/2 m from here, So taking this side and this one this side, so 90 plus minus 50, 11 by 2 m is equal to 90 plus minus 50. So if we do once, it will be 140 and once it will be or 40. Okay, 11 by 2 m. So m, if we do it 280 by 11 or 80 by 11, so we will get 2 times at which this angle will come. So h is our how much? 3. So our final answer will be 3, 280 by 11 or 380 by. At these 2 times the angle will be theta will be 50 degree. So this is our answer. So I hope you have understand. So thank you.